Regenerate. We've all seen patients who have tried various anti-aging procedures only to find the results fleeting or somewhat unnatural. The reality is, moving beyond just fill lifting is no longer an option, it's a necessity. We focus on fundamental skin resuscitation. As we age, the skin's regenerative capacity and collagen synthesis naturally decline, leading to structural failures like deep wrinkles, enlarged pores, loss of elasticity. Simply adding volume to a compromised structure is like building on sand. The effect is short-lived. True anti-aging begins with restoring the skin's supportive scaffolding and inducing the body to regenerate its own collagen and dermal density. This is where the expertise of AMI CALX comes in. Developed through over a decade of dedicated research, this solution utilized ANT's technology specifically engineered for what we call thinly and evenly delivery. To achieve optimal clinical outcomes, AMI CALX is designed to be precisely administered into the deep dermis or subdermal layer. By targeting the layers from the fascia to the dermis, we can achieve refined natural volume augmentation, the construction of a firm tissue matrix, smooth, seamless aesthetic results, balanced improvement in skin density. The uniform particle structure ensures a consistent extrusion force, allowing us as practitioners to deliver the product with pinpoint precision exactly where it's needed. AMI CALX is highly versatile, applicable to the face, hands, neck, and even the body. It doesn't just provide volume, improves skin elasticity over time, leading to a progressively firmer and healthier appearance as the regenerative biostimulator takes effect. For deep creases or areas with significant laxity, applying the product thinly and uniformly induces profound skin remodeling. By tailoring the dosage to the patient's specific degree aging, we can achieve a naturally balanced transformation. Finally, as clinicians, patient safety is our paramount concern. While gentle molding may be appropriate depending on the clinical goal, we strictly advise patients to avoid deep pressure massage or high-frequency laser treatments for approximately 1 month post-print. Furthermore, consistent aftercare and in some cases appropriate compression is essential to stabilize CAHA-based regenerative mechanism. It is our responsibility to provide patients with a comprehensive guide to ensure these long-term results are secured. In conclusion, remember, AMI CALX and its CAHA microspheres go beyond mere volume. They plant the seeds for structural correction and autologous regeneration.